a must on your bucket list, and it's one of the beautifulest cities here in Cuba. So let's go and have a look. Hope you guys. Today is officially my last day, my real official last day, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and explore the things that we haven't seen yet in Cuba. I wanna go see a shopping center, which is situated about 10 minutes of walking near my hotel. So we're gonna go and see that. Let's go and have a look. All right, let's go on an adventure. Funny to see a shopping center in a communist country. It doesn't make sense, right? Let's go see it. Communist shopping center. Bienvenidas in the Cuban street. Today the video is filmed solely with my GoPro. That's why it might be a bit shaky because I've got no stabilizer on it. It's gonna be a good quality of image, but it's gonna be a bit shaky, like I said. We're going right there. Ocio Club, Centro Comercial. We were down there. We're almost there, guys. Whew. This was a long walk and it's pretty hot. Damn, I'm sweating all over. It's cool, it's like underground and up the ground. Let's go see.
Ay, caramba!
Pretty neat market. We're done here. You can find anything you want, from clothes to food. Architecturally cool. It's called the Ocio Club Hicacos here in Varadero. If you ever come here, pass by and shop a little. Right now I'm at this market. It's called Plaza de los Artesanos, place of the artisans, if I'm not mistaken. And it's a place where all the artisans from Varadero go to sell their items, their handmade, handcrafted items. Really nice place. Now we are heading to the port of Varadero, where we'll be having a rather reckless stroll, crossing a rather peculiar bridge. Look at that. I've been here for 1 week and I still can't believe it. We don't have those in Canada, but we've got pine trees though. Following my trek to the port, I came across a gathering of teens playing soccer. Therefore, I couldn't help but play as well. It's my last day in Varadero. I decided to have a walk in the outskirts of Varadero, the places where the villagers live. I discovered a nice place right here on this bridge. It's really nice because you've got all these Cubans boat. And there's like a shipwreck right there. That's so cool to see. I'm gonna talk to you guys about the details of the travel. It costed me about 550 Canadian dollars, which is really cheap for the whole bundle. The hotel, all inclusive, so food, drinks, and then I did the activities. The activities costed me about $10 for Las Cuevas. Then the diving was $20. This one was a bit more expensive. Staying in Varadero, just walking, this is free, guys. The thing about traveling is not the destination you're going to, but the adventures you're getting there. That's what I think it is all about. I have not a clue what this big thing is. Is it like a water container or something? Because it's so cool, it's so big. Look at that. It must be like 10 meters high. Wow. If you know what it is, leave it in the comment section below. I hate myself. Cuban airport going back to Montreal. This is what a Cuban airport looks like. It's really nice. There's all these little duty-free shops, all like owner-made shops. This is our flight. I hope you guys enjoyed the Adventures Cuba travels. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, leave all those things below. This is what sums up our travel to Cuba. I wish you guys all the best and see you in the next adventure. Ciao. By the way, guys, I haven't shown you this, but there's blood in my bathroom. This is freaking blood. Look, it's red. It's freaking blood, man. This is me when I vlog. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Adventures. This is me in real life. 822 kilometers long, white sand beach. Okay. Bye. Wait! Wait!